You've seen the cars, the watches, the jet videos, but here's what most people miss about Iman Gadzhi's success. His YouTube strategy is the real empire builder. Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're continuing our series analyzing the top YouTube strategies of the most important entrepreneurs out there. Today we're talking about someone who has dominated YouTube for the last decade, Iman Gadzhi. And YouTube wasn't just a strategy, it was the foundation. Unlike others who found success first, Iman used YouTube to build his business from scratch. So in this video, I'm breaking down Iman's YouTube playbook and I'm showing you how to apply these principles without needing his team or his resources. So let's dive in. The first key to Iman's success is how his content evolves with his business growth. His content followed a clear progression. He started with tactical agency videos and then he switched to broader mindset videos, and now he's focusing on high-level wealth strategies. Each stage is perfectly matching his business evolution. Here's how you can do it. Simply map out your content to your offer ladder. If you're a fitness coach, start with tactical workout videos that solve immediate problems. Then progress to mindset and lifestyle videos as your audience grows. This creates a natural pathway to a high-ticket offer. Most creators get stuck in one lane, but for you as a coach, strategic evolution keeps your early followers engaged while attracting more sophisticated clients for your high-ticket programs. Iman stands out by taking contrarian positions in his niche. Instead of repeating what everyone says, he directly challenges wisdom with videos like 199% of agency fail, or the truth that nobody is telling you about scaling an agency. For your coaching business, ask yourself, what is everyone saying in your space that you know isn't working? What truth are you seeing that others avoid? Taking a contrarian stance doesn't just differentiate you, also attracts all the people who are tired of following the conventional path that hasn't been working for them. Part of this approach is that it naturally filters your audience. You'll attract fewer followers overall, but the ones you do attract will be more aligned with your philosophy and also ready for your solutions. Iman doesn't just use YouTube in isolation, he makes it the centerpiece of a strategic content ecosystem. YouTube builds his authority with deep and valuable content, while Instagram demonstrates his lifestyle and builds a community. Each platform has a specific role in moving people towards his offer. For you as a coach, this means stop trying to be everywhere. Use YouTube as your authority hub, where you'll share your most valuable insight. Then use just one other platform for community building. This will reduce you with content work while still delivering better results. The key insight here is that different platforms could serve different business goals. When you clarify each platform's role, you create a system rather than just posting randomly and hope for results. While most creators in his space sell the dream with flashy cars and promise overnight success, Iman Gadzhi always shows the unglamorous reality of entrepreneurship. He has always been transparent about failures and challenges with videos like why building an agency is harder than you think, or the dark side of being an entrepreneur. For your coaching business, embracing this reality principle means being honest about the work required to get in your field. Show the struggle alongside the victories. This authenticity builds credibility that flashy results never can. Think about it. This naturally disqualifies all the problem clients who are looking for magic solutions, the type of clients you don't want in your program, but it also qualifies all the hardworking students who are ready to put in the work. Biggest mistake I see coaches make is copying the surface elements like his editing, his thumbnails, or even his titles. Focus instead on these strategic principles that drive business results. To recap what makes Iman's YouTube strategy so effective: his content evolves strategically with his business growth. Second, he takes contrarian positions that differentiate him and attract ideal clients. Third, he builds a focused content ecosystem with each platform serving as a specific goal. The fourth and the last one, he embraces reality over hype, building deeper trust with his audience. The ultimate lesson about Iman's isn't video production or algorithm. It's about using YouTube as a strategic business tool rather than just a content platform. So if you're ready to implement a YouTube strategy that actually generates clients, then click in the link in the description to discover our YouTube lead system. We handle everything from strategy to production so that you can focus on serving your client. Thanks for watching, and let me know who I should analyze the next for my YouTube video. So I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.